Swordfish. The term swordfish refers to a large, predatory fish with a long, pointed bill resembling a sword. However, in English language, swordfish can also have different meanings depending on the context. Let's explore the various uses and examples of the term. 1. Swordfish as a noun. Meaning, a type of fish that has a long, sword-like bill and is often found in the open ocean. Example: we had grilled swordfish for dinner last night. Example: the swordfish is known for its powerful swimming ability. 2. Swordfish as a verb. Meaning, to pierce or impale something with a sharp object, similar to how a swordfish uses its bill to catch prey. Example: he swordfished the document with a pen to indicate his approval. Example: she swordfishes her steak with a fork to check for doneness. 3. Swordfish as a code name. Meaning, in the context of espionage or military operations, swordfish can be used as a code name for a specific mission or operation. Example: Operation Swordfish is scheduled for tomorrow night. Example: Agent Johnson will lead the Swordfish mission. 4. Swordfish as a movie title. Meaning, Swordfish is also the title of a popular action thriller movie released in 2001. Example: have you seen the movie Swordfish? It's filled with intense action scenes. It's important to note that context is crucial in understanding the meaning of the word swordfish, as it can have different interpretations depending on the usage.